Art Kurtz here for Easy Access Math, and today we're going to review subtraction of signed numbers in exponents. You know, you can have negative exponents as well as negative numbers. And remember the rule when dividing exponents, you subtract. So the rules of subtraction of signed numbers comes into play when you're subtracting exponents. Subtraction turns into addition, and you're switching the sign of the second part, which would be the bottom in this case. Now, you could just look at this simply. It's actually 9 minus 4, because we don't have a double negative here, and so it's 9, and this would become minus 4, and you would have x to the 5th. You simply subtract the exponent. But over here, you have to remember subtraction of signed numbers. I have x to the 3rd, 3, and I'm subtracting a negative 5. And remember, when you're subtracting a negative 5, it changes the sign of the second part, like the rules say with subtraction of signed numbers. In subtraction of signed numbers, it changes the sign of the second part, which is the bottom here. And so I actually have 3 plus 5, which is x to the 8th. Over here, I have 3, subtract 5. I don't have to worry about changing signs because it's not a double subtraction. And I have x to the negative 2 because it's 3 minus 5. Okay, that becomes a negative 5, and when you add them up, you would have a negative 2. This is the one where you have to remember the rule of subtraction of signed numbers. When you have a negative on the bottom, a negative exponent on the bottom of a fraction with an exponent, you have to actually change the sign because of the rules of subtraction of signed numbers to positive and follow the rules of addition. So 3 over negative 5 with the same variable, you would actually be adding, and it would come to 8. That's important to remember, and it involves the rules of subtraction of signed numbers.